So we're here today at the Global Insurance Forum, and we've been running a breakfast session on digitisation and innovation in insurance. But the point really I want to talk about now was about interconnection in insurance. Now, for some 300 years or so, insurers have interconnected extraordinarily effectively, but purely at a social level. And the one change I think that is of the greatest importance at the moment is that they're going to have to move that interconnection from being firstly at a social level, and I'm sure that will continue, and so it should do too, but also being at a digital level as well, because they're going to have to interconnect and exchange data far more effectively. If we look at the changes that are happening out in the world over the gathering of data, particularly things like autonomous cars or the Internet of Things, IoT, we're going to see an incredible uptick in the volume of data being made available to insurers. And they're going to have to gather this data, they're going to have to process it, they're going to have to translate it, and then they're going to have to put it into a usable form so that they can actually develop some meaning and some understanding from it. And that's going to be vital to make it worthwhile doing. But all these things are going to combine together to move them to a situation where if they don't digitally interconnect, they really are going to struggle to prosper in the world that is coming to them. I think the final comment to make about that is that wherever I go in the insurance world, I talk to people who feel that much of this technology is perhaps not going to affect them. And I think the one message we would like to get across is that technology is going to affect all industries at all levels, and in a time frame that most people really haven't considered so far. All estimates of timescales to date have proved to be pretty wrong, mainly because they've been far too long. And our message to the insurance world is please start to connect digitally, start to interconnect properly, and start to take advantage of this wealth of data that's about to hit you.